stocks slip as China virus spreads and the death toll spikes. U.S. stocks fell on midday trading on Thursday over heightened fears that the global economy could take a hit as the number of confirmed cases and the death toll from the virus in China spiked. World health officials expressed great concern that the new type of coronavirus is starting to spread between people outside of China, which is essentially on lockdown. Communications and healthcare companies led the losses. Facebook fell 6.7% and Anthem fell 3%. Industrial companies also fell broadly. UPS skipped about 4.6% after the package delivery company gave investors a disappointing profit forecast. Most technology companies also fell, though solid earnings from Microsoft, ServiceNow, and Lam Research helped the sector reach modest gains. Concerns about the spread of the coronavirus and its impact overshadowed mostly positive corporate earnings reports. There are currently more than 7,800 confirmed cases, mostly in central China, and 170 deaths, mostly in the Hubei province. Companies are increasingly issuing warnings over the potential impact to profits and revenue. Align Technology, which makes tube straightening systems, gave investors a weak profit forecast because of the virus. Starbucks has already held back on raising its forecast for the year, and airlines are starting to curtail flights to Chinese cities because of weak demand. The S&P 500 index fell about 0.4% as of noon Eastern Time. The Dow Jones fell about 87%, or 87 points, to 28,648. The Nasdaq fell about 0.4%. The Russell 200 index of smaller company stocks fell about 0.6%. Markets in Europe and Asia also fell. Hong Kong Hang Seng was hit particularly hard. They fell about almost 3%. Japan's Nikkei slipped about 2%. Markets in mainland and China are still closed for the Lunar New Year holiday. Cloud computing for Microsoft rose about 2.4% after the software maker handily beat Wall Street's fiscal second quarter profit forecast on its growing cloud computing business. The company said that revenue from its Azure cloud computing business grew about 62%. The company is trying to catch up on the leading cloud provider, Amazon, and received a big boost in October from a $10 billion U.S. Department of Defense contract. Tesla surged about 11% after the electric vehicle maker blew past Wall Street's fourth quarter earnings forecast on record sales. The company also told investors that it's ramping up production of the Model Y, which is like a small SUV, which is a key product because consumers are buying smaller utility vehicles now to get around. Altria slid 5% after the maker of Marlboro cigarettes reported a hefty cost because of its investment in the e-cigarette maker Juul. Altria took a 35% stake in Juul at the end of 2018, and that company has since faced a charge from federal and state investigators into marketing amid an explosion of underage raping teenagers. But yeah.